Hi, my name's Colter Todd. I own Circle T Construction based out of Big Timber, Montana, and we are a commercial general contractor. I've been in business since 2011. We've done several steel buildings. This is by far the largest steel building we've ever done at 28,200 square feet. This one definitely needed to be a steel building at the square footage that they wanted. It originally started at a 13,000 square foot building and then jumped up to a 28,000 square foot building. So this building could not be stick framed. The sheer size and use of the building had to be a steel building. Once I figured out that the building had to be the size it is, I started looking out to different companies and researching companies for basically for horse arenas, right? And I had worked with a couple other steel providers in the past, and Sunward came out on the dot and they basically said, hey, we specialize in equestrian centers. Here's a couple projects that we've done. I went down this road of using Sunward and they were great. So the building's used for dressage. The client uses it as a horse equestrian center. So you got 28,000 square feet, right? So 20,000 of it is the actual horse arena itself. Then you have a cold storage area, so they store like hay, feed, skid steer equipment. And then they have a massive part of the building also is just stalls. So they have 2 wash bays, a tack room, utility room, multiple stall bays, a berthing area. That all opens up and goes into the arena. Every single space does open up and go into the arena. On top of that, then they also have a very cool lounge that has a full kitchen, bathroom, a really nice viewing area, so you can watch as people are out riding in the arena. The client's wife picked out some amazing interior decorations for sure. We did encounter some design issues. Heat was a big deal. The client wanted this heat and cooled the entire space. We ended up having to engineer and work with somewhere to hang some massive heaters from the arena itself. Engineering to get the air changer in the stall area because there's a certain temperature he wanted the horses at. So it is heated, it is cooled, just like our normal house. Living in Montana, obviously, and where this project's located, it's a very snowy area. So we had to get it engineered to hold the weight of 53 pounds on the roof and 75 pounds on the ground. Massive steel beams were brought in to make this happen, and Sunward provided that. I ended up choosing Sunward because they were so good on the follow through, and they had sent me multiple projects similar to ours. It just ended up working out perfect, and I could show the clients other projects that Sunward had done. Their salesman was really great. He would always contact me every week, and he'd be like, hey, do you need another project to show your clients? And I'd say, yeah, can you send me another one? They're just kind of curious about what it would look like. So they'd send me renderings, drawings, mock-ups, other projects that they have done. I would say the pricing was all on point. What it did come down for me was we could get it built quick. Lead times were massive from every company, right? But Sunward put us in front and got it delivered way quicker than I could get it from anybody else. Sunward was super knowledgeable in the fact that if I had an issue, and we did have some issues that we needed to get resolved and some new components needed to come, they knew what component we needed. They were able to get it sent right back out, and it worked out pretty slick. I would say overall, they are a great company to work for. I enjoy working with them, and we're doing another project with them. Absolutely, yes. I already have recommended Sunward to other people.